Tired of digging through hundreds of OneDrive photos just to find the ones you actually love? I get it completely. You have all these memories stored up, but scrolling endlessly is no way to enjoy them. Well, here is the good news. You can mark your favorites in just 2 clicks. And once you do, you will never have to hunt for that one perfect picture again. All right, here is what we are going to do. First, we will open the Photos view in OneDrive. Then, I will show you that little star icon you use to favorite any photo. And finally, we will check your Favorites folder to make sure everything is working perfectly. So let us start. Go ahead and open up OneDrive in your browser. Over on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a menu. Click on the option that says Photos. This is your dedicated space for all the images you have stored. It is much easier to work from here than from the general file list because you can actually see the thumbnails and find what you were looking for quickly. Once you are in the Photos view, take a moment to just look around. You might see pictures from years ago that you had completely forgotten about. That is part of the fun. Now, here is the really important part. Find a photo that you really like, maybe one of your favorites. Hover your mouse over the top right corner of that thumbnail and watch for a star icon to appear. It is a simple outline of a star. Go ahead and click it, just one click. You will see that star fill in with a nice solid color. That is it. You have just marked that photo as a favorite. It is that simple. No extra menus, no digging through settings. It takes about 1 second. So now that we have got that set up, let us make sure it actually worked. On the left-hand menu in OneDrive, look for a section called Favorites. It might be listed under a heading labeled Quick Access or just in the main navigation. Click on it. And there you go. Every photo you have starred will show up right here. This is your curated collection. Everything you love, all in one spot. No more scrolling, no more searching, just instant access to your best memories. But what if you change your mind? Maybe you favorited something by accident, or you just do not love that photo as much anymore. No problem at all. Go back to your Favorites folder, find the photo you want to remove, and simply click that star icon again. One more click. The star will go back to being an outline, and the photo will disappear from this folder. It does not delete the original picture. It just unmarks it. So you can favorite and unfavorite as much as you want, guilt-free. Now, if you want to take your organization to the next level, you can add your favorites into albums. This is great for grouping photos from the same event or trip. Just select the photos you want, right-click, and choose the option to add to an album. You can create a new album right there, or pick one you already have. Suddenly, you are not just looking at a list of favorites, you are looking at a neatly organized gallery of your best moments. It is a small step that makes a big difference. And here is something really cool. All of those favorites you just marked on your computer, they sync automatically to the OneDrive mobile app. So if you are out and about and want to show someone a picture, just open the OneDrive app on your phone, tap on Photos, and then tap on Favorites. Everything is right there. You do not have to redo anything or hunt through your camera roll. It just works. So there you have it. You went from digging through hundreds of photos to having your very own favorites collection, organized and accessible from anywhere. Give it a try with a few of your own photos and see how much faster your workflow gets. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!